Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking energy, let's talk about natural gas. Another update in natural gas, a little more than 0.5% to the good. Natural gas is now almost back, flirting with a 75% recovery of that big 6-week down move that we saw, flirting with that 270 level. Not quite getting there on today's move, but again, 6 weeks down. Now we've had 5 weeks up if this week ends higher, and it looks pretty good so far. We did finish near the highs today as we got in toward the close of the day. The EIA data today showed a 45 billion cubic foot build, which was less than this week's 5-year average. So natural gas calculates the 5-year average of each week's draw and build because there's such a strong seasonal factor with natural gas. And normally you get about a 55 billion cubic foot build on this particular week. That's the 5-year average. That 48 billion cubic foot build was a little bit less. So now we're seeing less of a build, and we're already below the overall 5-year average and the total inventories from this time last year. So I'm not talking about the weekly build or draw. I'm talking about the overall inventory stockpiles. We're below the 5-year average, and we're below where we were this time last year. So everything is looking like the supply of natural gas has slowed a little bit. Now the weather did turn a little bit moderate, so that could help the demand and could help supplies build a little bit. Maybe we'll see that in next week's EIA data, but it is supposed to turn hot again, with hot weather returning to the east and the northeast in the next few days. Midwest has turned cool. That will lessen demand a little bit, but so far we are not seeing it in the price of natural gas because, again, we've seen about 2 sessions higher and we're almost all the way back from that big down move. This is Bob Iaccino talking natural gas futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.